What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel Tech Behind the Mask. And today we have Boltt Pioneer in the studio, and literally I've been using this smartwatch from last couple of weeks, and yes, I can say that this is the best budget smartwatch in this price wise segment, in this design and look wise segment, irrespective to any other brands in the market that launches a smartwatch this year. So yes, if you are new to this video, then please do subscribe and drop some love. So talking about its build quality, so it is good. It has a silicone strap which is not so good, but yeah, it's decent. It has a full metal body which has some weight. If you wear this smartwatch, it will give you premium look wise, premium feel wise, but don't forget, it is a budget smartwatch. It has a working crown in it, which means you can change watch faces and hover over menu and app. And on the other side of the watch, you will get to see the speaker grill also. Moving to its display, it has a whopping 1.95 inch of display with a pixel resolution of 320 into 385, which is quite good in this price segment. It is not AMOLED, it is kind of a SD display. It has no always on display, but yeah, it do have raise to wake. The colors are good, vibrant, and it has some good sharpness in its display too. So talking about its UI, so it's normal like every Boltt smartwatch gets. It is not so customizable, but yeah, it is smooth. You will not get to see any lag during your scroll. So yeah, it's a good feeling. And yes, it has 8 different types of menu options. So yes, you can set it according to your preference. So now talking about its battery, so this is the department where this watch lays back. It is not so good. If you are a heavy user, you'll hardly get 2 to 3 days of battery life, and if you're a light user, then you will get 4 to 5 days. But according to the features this watch has, it should give at least for a heavy user 3 to 4 days, or for a light user 4 to 5 days of battery life. So yeah, this is about the battery. It comes with IP68 rated, which means you can work out, you can play some sports, swim, but not so deep, and it can also save you from water spills. So yeah, it's good. It has 108 sports in it. You can select anyone from the list and get doing, but only expect approx rating from it. And this watch has all the basic features that every budget smartwatch gets, like weather updates, alarm, notification, camera and music control, female healthcare, and so on. And this watch has one extra application, and that is calculator. So now comes to the main department where this Boltt Pioneer is really struggling a lot. Its sensors and accuracy, and its Bluetooth calling. So this watch comes with HR and SpO2, which gives you a good approx reading, but don't rely on it because this watch don't has dedicated sensors. So talking about further for its sensors and accuracy, so it's a waste of time. So yeah, this is for the sensor department. Now comes to its Bluetooth calling. So during this past couple of weeks, I struggled a lot making calls from this watch. First, the speaker loudness is not so good. You will have to struggle a lot to hear to its voice. So yeah, the speaker is not so good. And second, as soon as you get to a bit noisy environment, you will start struggling with the mic also. I will give you the sample, decide it on yourself, and drop your views on the comment box. This is how it sounds from Boltt Pioneer smartwatch. Drop down your views on the comment box. So now let's come to the final verdict of this watch. Should you consider this watch? So if your budget is around 2500, then definitely you should go for this. And if you are looking for a good feeling, heavy look, premium look, then you should go for this. But if you are looking for accuracy and you use Bluetooth calling a lot and it really matters, then this watch is not for you. So guys, this is my views on this Boltt Pioneer smartwatch, and if you like and enjoy the video, then hit the like button and please do subscribe. And namaste.